Hi, I'm Phil. This is the 2017 Corvette Grand Sport. It's shared architecture with the Z06, so it has the wide body design, brings in the air in the front, cools down the brakes, brings it back out the side, brings air in to cool the rear brakes, brings air in to cool the rear differential. Your wings got functional for downforce. This car pulls over a lateral G. Just gorgeous exhaust system. These are 335 tires on the back. They're massive. Great handling car. This has 3,500 kilometers on it. You won't find a scratch, dent, or anything on this car. The roof panel is removable. It's carbon fiber. It's lightweight. So this is a 6.2 liter V8, 460 horse, 465 for torque. It's got the optional red calipers, chrome wheels. The red hash marks are part of the heritage package. It also has the white stripe option going down the full length of the car. The skid plates still have the plastic on them, so they're mint once you pull the plastic off. It's a push button start. Great sounding car. It does have a backup camera. It does have Android Auto, Apple CarPlay, Bluetooth, satellite radio. You can get a hotspot, it's 4G, pay for a subscription. Everything is kind of tuned to the driver. You have select track, touring, sport mode, track mode. You can also take your traction control off. Climate control over on the passenger side of the vehicle. It does have OnStar. The Bluetooth works fantastic on this car. It is a 7-speed manual, so you do have your active rev match that you can turn on or off. Just a gorgeous car, 3,500 kilometers. It does have the Bose sound system. Just take another look at the car at the front here. So this is available today on appointment only. The car is only brought out on the nice weather. It's 425 Queen Street West in St. Mary's. Or give me a text at 519-868-6153.